Uniformly accelerated motion, it means the acceleration would remain uniform. Okay, there are 4 equations of motion, and as you saw in your syllabus that you all only have to use them, but you also have to derive them. So number 1 is basically v equals u plus at. Okay, so always remember that. Okay, what is v? V is final velocity and u is
initial velocity.
Then a is acceleration, you already know about it, and this is time. All right. Then second equation of motion is equals, once we will derive them, you will see that how these come. Number 3 is S is equals u into t plus half at square. Okay, and number 4 is, let's derive first equation. Okay, let me do the first one, then I will send you rest of the one by taking the picture. You can note them down on your notebook. Okay, and if you don't understand anything, then you will let me know. Okay, you will try to understand them yourself. That is not a complex mathematics, that is very simple. Okay, so I would like you to do that on your own. Okay, let me solve the first one. First one, basically v equals u plus at. Okay, so for this purpose we will take the shape of the graph something like this. I will take the velocity over here measured in meter per second, and the time on x-axis measured in seconds, and the graph is something like this. It will start from here. This would be basically the area under the graph. Okay, whole of this thing would be the area under the graph. Okay, and let me take the initial velocity u over here. Okay, and corresponding to this point, let me take the velocity v over here. You can see that I have taken velocity on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. The graph is a straight line like this, a slanted line like this. So the acceleration would be just like we studied over here. If the velocity is a graph like this, the acceleration would be constant. Constant. Yeah. So the same case over here, that if the graph is something like this, then it represents the motion with a constant acceleration. Okay, and this is what the purpose of these equations are. These equations are only written for uniformly accelerated motion, or you can say constant acceleration motion.